Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the low power mode shortcut in Control Center on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Control Center. And from the Control Center settings page, we want to go down and tap on the low power mode plus button, and that will get added to the included controls. Now if you swipe down the Control Center, you can see the low power mode button is right there. If you tap on it, your phone will go into low power mode, and you will also see your battery icon will go into yellow. So once you are in low power mode, some features and services will not work, such as background apps will not work. So if you want to have an app get updated on the background, you may want to switch off low power mode. Now if you want to remove it from your Control Center, you can go back into the settings page, go to Control Center and tap on the remove button, then tap on remove, and this will remove the low power mode shortcut from your Control Center. So you can see here now it has been removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.